guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today I'll do a short review on the Stanley combination pliers. The size is 8 inches or 200 millimeter, and this is the combination pliers I really like. This is my second time purchasing the same pliers by Stanley because it's a super cool product. So let's open the box.
TADA!
Comes in a simple transparent plastic. Before opening the PLAS from plastic, let me tell you about the price of this PLAS. It's written on the back 307 Indian rupee, but I paid just rupees 208 or so because I purchased this Stanley combination pliers in an offer from Amazon India. Now open the PLAS. PLAS is made from very hard material. It's been given some kind of coating on the metal part to prevent the PLAS from rusting. And let me keep the PLAS in this white paper so that you can have a better look of the product. Stanley written on the handle. It also has this cutter which is really sharp. Tooth or the grip which holds the nuts or bolts is made of very high quality material, which is also really nice, and this is definitely a must buy, and this is definitely a recommended product by Evewin Lakra, thumbs up product by Stanley, and for the price this is definitely a must buy product. So guys, if you like the review, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because plenty of more product review like these are coming really soon. This is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all and happy fixing.